YouTube? It's one half of the Two Moody Chicks seated here. If you are new here, feel free to check out the rest of our channel. And if you like it, don't forget to sub us and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos. And if you're OG Moody Gang, you already know how we do. So today I will be reviewing a wig from Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into it, where I show you how this wig came and just my overall opinions about it. Okay, so this is what she looks like straight out of the pack. You can see she has like little curls, some body. So she's a mix of like human and synthetic. So she's a mix. These are what the wefts are looking like. As you can see, it's machine sewed. And it has adjustable straps. The adjustable straps. Does it have any combs? Nope, does not look like this unit has any combs. But that's what she looks like. So let's go ahead and try her on. So I just put her on my head. Just threw her on. I have not styled her yet. So this is what she looks like just put on. I think she has the potential to be cute. But let's see what we can do. So I automatically noticed that the bangs are like wispy. I actually like wispy bangs, so that's not a problem. And the curls has body. They're bouncy. So let's go ahead and see if we can like fix these bangs up some. No. But right now, that's the only thing that's like throwing it off is the bangs. Even though they're cute, they're just kind of going everywhere. Let me pull it down a bit. So this is giving me like 60s Farrah Fawcett vibes, like where she had like the curls and the bangs, and everybody like liked her. Like everybody had her as their poster. So this is me playing around with it. I'm liking it more. I don't know what this is doing though. We can get that fixed. I think we'll be in there. So immediately, what I'm noticing is this could be a good everyday wig. It's actually cute. It's actually really cute for the price. So this is not an expensive wig at all. Even though I forget the price, I know it's not expensive though. So I may put it in the description boxes. I can't remember it right now. But I can see myself like wearing this to work. Like I'm liking the curls. I just have to get this part fixed. But I do like the curls. I like that it has some highlights in it. So that's definitely a pro. Maybe I can like scrunch up the bangs or something to get it to look cute, but I feel like it's cute. What y'all think? So she's looking better like the more I play with her. She's starting to look cuter, which she already was cute anyway. Oh my god, and I like how it kind of like curls at the end. Kind of has a little tuck curl. Ow. So I don't know, I like it. I actually really do like this wig. I didn't know what to think about it because it was like an Amazon wig. So I was like, I don't know. But like trying it on and actually seeing it on me and having like some little neutral makeup, I think that it looks cute. Like I can see myself like wearing this. Maybe putting it up a bit, you know, something like that. This is even cute. Like super cute. Yeah. I would say too that I think it mimics real hair very nicely because it's not too dense, but then it's not like super thin or anything like that. So I like the way that it actually does mimic like real hair, which makes it more for like everyday use just because of how it lays, how it flows, the body of it. Like I could see me wearing this like to work or even like going out or something like that, you know. Styling in like maybe an updo or like, I don't know, just doing something like at the top. I think it's a versatile wig because it's cute like this, but I can definitely style it some more. So I'm liking her. It fits comfortably on my head, but I have like a medium sized head, medium to small. So I think it could be big head friendly, but you would just have to adjust the straps to how you need it to be for your head. But it does come with adjustable straps, so that's a plus. So another pro for me is I love this curl pattern. Like, I don't think I've had a wig like with this type of curl pattern before, so I do like it, and definitely a pro for me. The highlights, another pro. I like the length, so that's another pro. Like, it's not too long, but it's not like super short either, so I like that. But all in all, I'm really surprised at how much I like this wig. If there's any cons at all, I would say just two small cons, which is the bang is wispy and it's cute, but it's a little bit flat. I don't know if I just need to bump it or something, but you know, just a small con. And then, you know, this piece right here, I don't know what's going on with this piece. I don't know if it just got bent up in the box or something. And I'll insert how it came in the box at some point in this video, so it may already been shown before y'all get this. I may have already shown it, or it may come after this point, but I will show you how the wig came inside the box. But all in all, I really like this wig. Like, I think it's cute, I think it's fun, I like the bangs, I like the color, I like the curls, and I feel like I could do a lot with this wig. So I am pleasantly surprised because it is an Amazon wig. So I hope you all like it as much as I do. If you do want to buy the wig for yourself, I will leave a link in the box, and then you can purchase it yourself. But I mean, I like her, so, and I wouldn't recommend anything I don't like, but she's beautiful. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and also show our Instagram some love at 2 Moody Chicks on Instagram. You can usually find all of our updates and pretty pics on there. So there will be pics of this hair. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos. All right, bye.